Have you ever wondered what would happen if you planked every day for just 1 minute? Planking is a form of bodyweight exercise that has stood the test of time. It's simple, requires no equipment, and can be done almost anywhere. But what makes this exercise so effective? And what are the benefits if you make it a daily habit? In today's video, we'll explore what happens to your body if you do a 1-minute plank every morning and why you should consider incorporating this exercise into your daily routine. There are countless websites and blogs detailing ways to build your core muscles or core strength. However, these sources often overlook explaining what your core muscles actually are and why building them is so important. Surprisingly, core muscles are quite easy to explain. Your core muscles are a series of muscles in your midsection and are used in most forms of movement. These muscles aren't housed in your arms or legs, but they help transfer force from one limb to another, or they work in conjunction with muscles in your arms or legs to increase their effectiveness. As such, a strong core can greatly improve your ability to move and exercise more effectively. Your core muscles include the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, external obliques, and glutes. Each of these muscle groups serves its own unique purpose. The transverse abdominis helps increase your ability to lift heavier weights. The rectus abdominis improves sports performance, particularly in activities involving jumping. And this muscle group is also responsible for giving you that renowned six-pack look. The obliques enhance your capacity for stable side bending and waist twisting. The glutes support your back and contribute to strong buttocks. I did a 1-minute plank every morning, and this happened to my body. Planks are one of the most effective exercises for building your core, but their benefits extend far beyond just core strength. By holding yourself in the plank position, you'll notice that your biceps, neck, and shoulder muscles are also being tested and strained, which encourages their development. This is excellent news if you like to do push-ups, as planking can help build the necessary strength in your arms and shoulders. When planking, you are holding yourself up through your arms and biceps. By maintaining a plank position, your arm muscles are being toned and developed, making planks a great alternative exercise to other forms of bicep-developing workouts. Moving down to your midsection, successful plank exercises also develop the muscles in your buttocks. These muscles are often ignored by many other exercises, so this is another great benefit of planking. Additionally, planks help develop the muscles in your thighs, offering a comprehensive workout. Planks are ideal for the abdominal muscles because they engage all major core muscle groups, including the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, external obliques, and the glutes. The importance of strengthening each muscle group cannot be underestimated, as all of these groups serve their own purpose. If you strengthen these muscle groups, you will notice transverse abdominis, increased ability to lift heavier weights, improved sports performance, particularly with jumping and the renowned six-pack look, obliques, improved capacity for stable side bending and waist twisting, guapari, a supported back and strong buttocks, decreased risk of back injury. Doing a 1-minute plank every morning allows you to build muscle while ensuring you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. One of the significant benefits of planking is that it strengthens your back muscles, providing more support and stability for your entire back, especially in the areas around your upper back. This can significantly reduce the risk of back injuries, which are common in both sedentary and active individuals. Planking is an excellent way to challenge your entire body. Doing them every morning will burn more calories than traditional abdominal exercises such as crunches or sit-ups. The core muscles you strengthen by doing this exercise daily will ensure that you burn more energy even when sedentary, because they are some of the largest muscles in the body. This is especially important if you spend the majority of your day sitting in front of a computer. Additionally, making planking a daily home exercise before or after work will not only enhance your metabolic rate, but also ensure that your metabolism remains high all day long. Planks have a significant impact on improving your posture. A strong posture brings with it a huge number of fantastic benefits. It keeps your bones and joints in the correct alignment, which means both your bones and joints will be better maintained. It also means the overall effectiveness of your muscles will be improved. Good posture ensures your back or spine is in the correct position, so you will suffer less back pain. On top of everything else, someone with good posture looks healthier and more confident. Have you ever felt that when you try standing on one leg, you can't stay straight for more than a couple of seconds? It's not because you are just clumsy, but rather because your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to give you the balance you need. Many people assume that balance is mostly based on the legs, but most of the work is actually happening in your core, as it keeps you stable and upright. By improving your balance through planks, especially side planks and planks with extensions, you'll boost your balance and performance in every kind of fitness activity. To get the most out of your daily planking, here are a few additional tips. Warm up before you plank. Warming up your body with some light cardio or dynamic stretching can help prevent injuries and make your planks more effective. Engage your core. Make sure you're actively engaging your core muscles throughout the entire duration of the plank. This means pulling your belly button towards your spine and keeping your abdominal muscles tight. Mix it up. While the standard plank is great, incorporating variations such as side planks, reverse planks, and plank jacks can provide additional benefits and keep your routine interesting. Listen to your body. If you feel pain as opposed to discomfort, stop immediately. It's important to differentiate between the two to avoid injury. So, what happens if you do a 1-minute plank every morning? You can expect to see improved core definition, a decreased risk of back injury, a metabolism boost, better posture, enhanced balance, increased flexibility, and an improved mood. Planking is a simple yet highly effective exercise that can bring a multitude of benefits to your overall health and fitness. Start small.
Thank you for watching this video. If you find this information helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interest and fitness tips. Stay focused. See you later, guys.